Hi, are you looking for free data and you want this type of data so that you can analyze, visualize into everything? Well, go on google.com, just type GCP or Google Cloud Platform. This page will appear. After this page, just click on console and there we go. This is the home page of Google Cloud. Once you have this type of page, just click on view all products at the bottom. Once you see all the products, search for Google BigQuery. So this is the page for Google BigQuery, and now just click on public data, and inside this public data folder you have so many databases which is free to access. You can use them, you can practice on them, you can visualize, you can make machine learning model, you can extract, you can download the data, you can do a lot many things. Let me show you how many tables are there inside one of the databases. So now the next step would be to get started. You want to do your first project? Try this one.